The lady who broke the taboo in the modeling industry that models must be slim and spread the message that this tradition is a total no in this century. Ashley Graham is big, bold, hot, charming and undefinable beauty. A prodigy in the genre of modeling and TV industry, Ashley is recognized as a plus-sized personality in the United States of America and has proven herself as a remarkable person. Avowed and acknowledged for her curvy body, Ashley has instilled a lot of self-confidence and a bold, fearless attitude in her. Born on October 30, 1987, Ashley will turn 33 years old in 2020. Ashley, being a plus-sized model, has a curvy figure and her figure measurements are 42-30-46, rarely seen in the modeling world. Ashley appears to be quite tall and big. Her height measures 5 feet 9 inches in feet and her weight is 60 kilograms. Ashley has dark brown hair and the color of her eyes is light brown. Ashley Graham, the plus-size supermodel, in accordance with her own ability and potential, has earned commendable recognition and appreciation with high net income. The total net worth of Ashley Graham is estimated to be $12 million. She also has set a benchmark for aspiring women who want to pursue their career as a plus-size model and represents the real movement for support of real women's bodies. Graham studied at the Scott Middle School from 1999 to 2002 and later joined Lincoln Southwest High School, from which she graduated in 2005. Professional videographer and her dream partner named Justin Irvin planned for their marriage in 2010 and have been blessed with a son. Signed her modeling deal with the Wilhelmina Models in 2001, Ashley took her first major step in the modeling world and took it by the storm. Ashley started working her way up and was offered a formal work at the Ford Models too. She soon became known for her plus-sized figure and was featured in Glamour magazine's October 2009 edition. The most popular glamour magazines such as Vogue, Glamour, Bust, Elle, Harper's Bazaar, and many more have featured Ashley Graham. Ashley also likes to design clothing and has designed lingerie for the Canadian brand Edition Elle in 2013. Here we provide you the list of Ashley Graham's favorite things.